There's 3 more under there. Oh, they go. I keep seeing more.
It's a button bug at the corn pile, I think. There comes the bug. He looks like he was fighting. Turn it on.
Is it back over there?
happened, Lewis tried to shoot twice, and the muzzleloader did not go off. He was using a Thompson Center Omega muzzleloader, and that gun, the trigger guard, drops down and it opens up the back end of the barrel where the primer goes. When he opened it up, he realized there was no primer in the gun. He had thought I had put one in the morning down by the truck, which I never do. I always put my primer into my muzzleloader when I get to my stand. And I had thought he knew that. Hadn't made it clear. I felt really, really bad about it afterwards, but these bucks were still in the food plot, and Lewis opened up that action and was trying to get this, got the new primer in, I was trying to close it, and it would not close. And he was trying, and Barbara was trying to help him, couldn't figure out what was wrong, so they called me, or I called them. We did a FaceTime call, and I could see something appeared to be broke. It would not close and with the primer in. So my thought was, from what I could see in the FaceTime video, possibly the breech plug was slightly unscrewed, slightly loose, and was sticking back further than normal, and therefore would not let it shut with the new primer in, but I didn't know for sure. Later on, we figured out that was not the problem. It was a simple human error mistake. When he had tried to shoot with no primer in, the firing pin had been stuck in the forward position. Trying to shoot twice, no primer, there was nothing there to stop the firing pin when it was hit with the hammer. And so all it was stuck firing pin. I took my knife, I pushed it back, put the primer in, everything worked, the breech plug was fine, but the bucks were gone. As they were leaving, Lewis was so disgusted, he told Mom if Liner, the buck he was really after, shows up yet tonight, he's going to throw the gun at him. Obviously, that didn't happen. I think some of the bucks did end up coming back, but not the buck he was after. So, lesson learned. I guess we'll try again next time. Sometimes it doesn't go the way you want. This here part of the video is Lewis's Tacticam that he had attached to his barrel, and you can see the deer barely even hurt the clicks and did not spook at all from that. So we will try again on Monday and Tuesday and see if we can make it happen. Also, we will have my video coming out here very soon, so make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel, and catch the rest of our Ohio Muzzleloader season and also our late season archery that will be coming up right after that.
That should be a dead deer.